paghandaan na natin ang ating pera. So, okay, this is the lotto. Yeah, this is the lotto shop, my favorite, and they have a coffee being in here. Yes, oh, video tayo at napakadami yatang tumataya. So, okay, we're gonna go ready our money. So, right in here, tayo muna tayo. Good morning, evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome back to sa ating channel. Merry Christmas to everybody and to all our followers right in there in Spain. Buenos dias, buenas noches, and buenas tardes. Take care. Mucho ohayo gozaimasu. Domo arigatou in Japan. And of course right here in Korea. Annyeonghaseyo, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Magandang morning, evening po sa inyo lahat. Morning in Germany. Merhaba sa banda in Turkey. Assalamualaikum, kifahal, and shukran right in there in Middle East. Syempre, if you are new on my channel, you can subscribe, comment. Yes, mga Java cards, Lotto. If we're gonna go win the Lotto, syempre, marami tayong iniisip if we want a Lotto. So we're gonna try to the Lotto shop, and of course we're gonna taya tayo ng Lotto. Malay natin na manalo tayo. Pag nanalo tayo, syempre, uy, hati tayo. Such a beautiful day, such a lovely day, and of course the weather right now is really, I think it's really cold, and I think it's almost like a -3, and we can feel almost like a -8. Siyempre mga Java cards, while I'm walking on the street, nakipagchismisan. Annyeonghaseyo, nakipagchismisan pa rin ako sa'yo. Such a lovely day. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired sa ating mga breadwinning award. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Yan, congratulations, and of course, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan. Dadan muna na ako right in here while I'm talking to everybody, and I'm talking to you dito sa under usapang Lotto. Ang dami ng tumamang Lotto right in here in KR, especially sa ating mga tower kasi mga Philippine millionaire. Oh my God, sana. Ay, but sorry, naniniwala pa rin ako na hindi natin kikitain ng pera pag hindi natin pinagpagkuran. We need to be work hard to make money, stay humble and brave. So that's the key of our success, ang ating tiyaga. Imagine that mga Jabbercat, this is my favorite spot. Look at that. Look at the stage and cool this. I did a little bit more tour habang tataya ako ng Lotto. This one is way 1975 kasi edad ko nata ito, and of course after that, a year ago and a decade, and in Korea it will become more, the economy is growing so fast, and because ang kanilang mga Android in here, manufacturer, ang mga surgeon nila, it's really good, and the internet and transportation, ang kanilang mga luxury cars in here, they are awesome. Pag tumama tayong Lotto, Diyos ko po, mag-uli na tayo, mapagod tayo na maliit na bahay lang ba? But it's okay, we always inspired, never expired. Siyempre, while we coming abroad, siyempre, to make money, we coming abroad to make money, and of course it's not easy why we stay away in our country. That's the one reason Filipino they came in abroad, para sa magandang kinabukasan, to fulfill our dream come true, at para makakain ng 3 beses ang ating family, and they go to the schools and they can buy rice. Tuloy po ang ating drama muna, no? Yes, really, to fulfill our dream come true, and it's not easy to travel abroad, the sacrifices, ang pagtatrabaho, and because I went to Saudi Arabia, I went to other country to work para magtrabaho in the name of money. It's not easy, really, it's not easy. Imagine that, I remember that when I was working in Saudi Arabia, I'm almost like 24 hours up. Yes. Kasi naging houseboy ako doon. Yes, I clean up. But I am not cook every time. Siyempre, I work in a big palace. It's not really easy. And siyempre, mga jobber cards, ang ating pera pinagpapagura niyan. We need to be work hard before we earn the money. Yes. So, siyempre, unang-una, we need to be like more patient at maging masipag tayo. Hindi tayo kailangang mamili ng trabaho like in overseas. Oh my God, tamang-tama ngayon. Of course, I'll give you a little bit more too. And of course, this is a tumble season right in here. Malapit na tayo sa lotto shop. And of course, it's a market day. Yes, but wala tayong pambili. Hindi tayo bibili. But it's okay. Just all we do, gonna go stop by in there at we do our mission para magtaya ng lotto. Where's the lotto shop in here? Oh, right in there. But we need to cross on the street right in here sa legal pedestrian. Right in here. It's almost like at 4. So yung ating mga dollar kasi Korean, they're going home. Umuwi na sila. Like left right in here. So it's a market day. So right in here in KR Day. Yes, this is the mahilig din sila sa mga seeds. So, yung mga mani-mani. And of course, mahilig din sila sa mga tinapay. Right in here. Like the coffee. Like the coffee shop in here. It's really good, especially during winter. Mahilig ka ba sa K-pop? Right in here. So, malapit na tayo sa lotto. Just all we do, handa na natin ang ating pera. So, okay, this is the lotto. Yeah, this is the lotto shop, my favorite, and they have a coffee premium in here. Yes, all we do tayo at napakadami yatang tumataya. So, okay, we gonna go ready our money. So, right in here, tayo muna tayo.
책임이야. 진짜 추워지니까.
Sleeping on the jumper guards because like it's really cold. Napakadaming tumatay. I think it's the winning month. It's a lot. I hope one day. I hope this is we're gonna make a wish this Christmas that we won. Siyempre mga jumper, that's okay. We always inspired. Never expired right in here in KR. It's a market day. Nakataya na rin tayo ng lot because all we do is you gonna go on the gym because like every time that I have a little bit time I go to the gym, make our body strong. The lot in Korea, hindi biro ang mga winning number, ang mga winning money. That's a lot of money. So we can share the lot today. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. This is your Queen Angel. I would like to share more stories. The lot right here. Please comment down below.